Friends, we can play with the calculator also. So let them take one calculator and tell them display any number in their calculator. For example, just they took a number, so big number, there is no condition at all. So a number of digits they can take and let them tell with multiply with 5. Just while they are telling the number to you, so you can write the answer directly. Simply by using a slate, you can write the answer. The answer is 1938475. So that is the answer. So very immediately we can tell. Friends, not only that. For example, if they took any three consecutive numbers, for example, 15, 16, 17, they have to say the answer. Here the reverse case. If they told you the answer, we may tell the numbers what they took. So it is very, very crazy it is. For example, they told 48. Yes, you took 15, 16 and 17. Someone told you 108. Yes, you took 36, 35, 36, 37. Very immediately. Someone told you 75 as their answer, 24, 25, 26. Like that, whatever it may be, that answer. So by knowing that, we may tell the three consecutive numbers. Right?